Aubergine, a nutritional powerhouse. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a nutrient-rich vegetable that has been cherished in various cuisines around the world for centuries. Often mistaken for a vegetable, it's technically a fruit, a berry to be precise. This unique classification adds to its intriguing nature. Don't let that fool you, it's far less sweet than its berry cousins. Instead, it offers a rich, savory flavor that can enhance a wide range of dishes. What it lacks in sweetness, it makes up for in flavor and health benefits. Eggplant is packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. This versatile ingredient can be the star of the show or a subtle addition to your meals. From hearty stews to light salads, eggplant fits seamlessly into any dish. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the remarkable health benefits of eggplant. It supports heart health, aids in digestion, and even has potential anti-cancer properties. Discover how this humble vegetable can significantly contribute to a healthier and happier you. Including eggplant in your diet can lead to improved overall well-being. Join us as we unlock the secrets of eggplant, the nutritional powerhouse. From its rich history to its modern-day culinary uses, there's so much to explore and enjoy. Low in calories and high in nutrients, eggplant is a valuable addition to any diet. It's a good source of dietary fiber essential for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Eggplant shines with its vitamin and mineral content. It's a good source of manganese important for bone health and metabolism. It also provides copper, vital for red blood cell formation. Other essential nutrients found in eggplant include vitamin K for blood clotting, vitamin C and antioxidant, potassium for muscle function, and folate, crucial during pregnancy. Incorporating eggplant into your diet is a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Eggplant isn't just delicious, it's a heart-healthy choice. It contains antioxidants like niacin and chlorogenic acid, known for their heart-protective properties. Niacin, found in the skin of eggplants, is a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Chlorogenic acid helps lower blood pressure and reduces LDL, bad cholesterol levels. These antioxidants work together to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart disease. Including eggplant in your diet is a step towards a healthier heart. Remember to consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Eggplant is an excellent source of dietary fiber, crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. By incorporating eggplant into your meals, you're not just enjoying a delicious vegetable. You're nurturing your digestive health from the inside out. Section 5. Antioxidants assemble eggplant's defense system. Eggplant is a treasure trove of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, acting like our body's natural defense system. Eggplant is particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant responsible for its vibrant purple color. These antioxidants have been linked to various health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved brain function, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Section 6. Eggplant in the culinary world. Eggplant's mild flavor and versatile nature make it a favorite in cuisines worldwide. From Mediterranean dishes like moussaka and baba ganoush to Asian stir-fries and curries, eggplant adds a unique taste and texture to countless recipes. Its ability to absorb flavors makes it ideal for grilling, roasting, sautéing, or frying. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings to discover your favorite ways to enjoy eggplant. Whether you prefer it meaty and smoky or tender and creamy, there's an eggplant dish out there for every palate. Section 7. Selecting and storing your eggplant. When choosing eggplants, look for ones that are firm, heavy for their size, and have smooth, glossy skin. Avoid eggplants with soft spots, wrinkles, or discoloration. Store eggplants in a cool, dry place, but not in the refrigerator. Refrigeration can damage their delicate texture and flavor. Properly stored eggplants can last for several days. Once cut, eggplant flesh tends to oxidize and turn brown quickly. To prevent this, brush cut surfaces with lemon juice or soak them in acidulated water with a little lemon juice or vinegar. Section 8. Versatile vegetable cooking with eggplant. Eggplant is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, fried, or even baked. Grilling or roasting eggplant brings out its naturally smoky flavor. Sautéing or frying it creates a tender texture, perfect for stir-fries or curries. Before cooking eggplant, consider salting it and letting it sit for about 30 minutes. Salting draws out excess moisture, preventing the eggplant from soaking up too much oil during cooking. Remember to cook eggplant thoroughly until it's tender and cooked through. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and sauces to create delicious and flavorful eggplant dishes. Section 9. Delicious and easy eggplant recipes. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, there are plenty of ways to make eggplant the star of your meal. Looking for delicious and easy ways to incorporate eggplant into your meals? Look no further. Eggplant is not only nutritious but also incredibly adaptable, making it a great addition to any dish. From appetizers to main courses, the possibilities are endless. One classic and incredibly flavorful option is baba ganoush. This Middle Eastern dip is made by roasting eggplant until it's tender and smoky, then blending it with tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. The result is a creamy, savory dip that's perfect for any occasion. This smoky eggplant dip is perfect with pita bread, vegetables, or as a spread for sandwiches. It's a great way to start a meal or serve as a snack at a gathering. Plus, it's vegan and gluten-free, making it suitable for a variety of dietary preferences. Another fantastic option is eggplant parmesan, a beloved Italian-American dish that's both comforting and satisfying. In this dish, eggplant slices are breaded, fried, and layered with marinara sauce and cheese. It's then baked until bubbly and golden. For a lighter option, you can bake the eggplant slices instead of frying them. This dish is perfect for a family dinner or a special occasion. If you're looking for something simpler, try grilling or roasting eggplant and tossing it with your favorite herbs, spices, and a drizzle of olive oil. This method brings out the natural sweetness of the eggplant and adds a delicious smoky flavor. It's a quick and easy side dish that pairs well with almost any main course. These are just a few examples of the countless delicious and easy eggplant recipes out there. From dips to main courses, eggplant can be the star of your meal. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new recipes. Don't hesitate to explore cookbooks, websites, and food blogs for more culinary inspiration. With so many options available, you're sure to find the perfect eggplant recipe to suit your taste and dietary needs. Happy cooking! Section 10. Embrace the eggplant. A delicious path to wellness. Incorporating eggplant into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. Its rich nutritional profile, combined with its versatility in the kitchen, makes it a valuable addition to any meal plan. Remember to choose fresh, high-quality eggplants, and experiment with different cooking methods to discover your favorite ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. So, embrace the eggplant and embark on a delicious path to wellness. By adding eggplant to your plate, you're not just adding flavor and variety, you're nourishing your body with essential nutrients and reaping the numerous health benefits this amazing vegetable has to offer. Section 11. Beyond eggplant. Embracing dietary diversity. While eggplant offers a wealth of health benefits, such as being rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, it's important to remember that no single food holds the key to optimal health. A balanced diet is about variety and moderation. The true magic lies in embracing a diverse and balanced diet rich in fruits, which provide essential vitamins and minerals, vegetables, which are packed with fiber and phytonutrients, whole grains that offer sustained energy, lean proteins for muscle repair, and healthy fats for brain function. Each food group provides a unique set of nutrients essential for our well-being. For instance, fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of vitamins A and C, while whole grains provide B vitamins and fiber. By incorporating a variety of foods into our meals, we not only make our diet more interesting, but also more nutritious. We ensure that our bodies receive the full spectrum of nutrients they need to thrive. This approach helps in preventing nutrient deficiencies and promotes overall health. So, while you enjoy the many benefits of eggplant, such as its versatility in recipes and its health benefits, remember to explore and embrace the vast world of nutritious foods available to us. Try new recipes, experiment with different ingredients, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Aim for a rainbow on your plate, which means including a variety of colors from different fruits and vegetables, and your body will thank you for it. A colorful plate is not only visually appealing but also ensures a wide range of nutrients, making your meals both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. Don't forget to subscribe to the E_Green channel for more interesting facts and tips on living a healthier life.